video. We just met it with the homie Kevin. He brought his M4 GTS out today. We're about to go grab some food with the homie Anthro. I think Arion might pull up too. Excited to see Anthro's GTR. We really haven't got to cruise since he rebuilt his motor. My boy Anthro blew his engine like 2 years ago and it's finally done. Grab some food and then see what else we get into today. Either way, it's gonna be lit, so smash the like button right now before we get into the video. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. This shit is too fast. What's crazy is that it's only full bolt-ons. Imagine if we made it faster. Uh-oh. There's a cop. Please don't pull me over. As soon as I passed him, he pulled out. Hello?
That Highway Patrol got on the freeway, huh?
I know, he's following us. Why?
Nothing? Did you downshift or some shit?
No, I shot flames by him, but that's it. No, I'm just kidding. And we made it, guys. Look at it. We got Kevin's M4 GTS. Sheesh. Guys, what if we did this color? I kind of want to keep the dark black aggressive look on my car. It's like a satin gray. It looks pretty cool. Sheesh, look who else pulled up. Damn! Well, actually sounds way more beefy than my car. Anthony doesn't know how to act now. He got the tune this morning. Race him, Kevin.
Hell no, bro.
That shit's so clean. See, the carbon hood looks fire, huh?
Yeah, I see that.
I think we're gonna do it, guys. I'm gonna probably order the hood and maybe the doors too while we're at it. I want to do just the hood for now, but the shipping's cheaper if I buy the hood and the doors at the same time because they're coming from Japan or China or something like that. So it's cheaper to ship them both at once.
What's up, bro?
Anthro? Alright.
Damn, the knuckle.
Bro, this shit hurts.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, I'm fucking shaking.
Why?
In my first pull.
Anthro got the adrenaline back.
Bruh.
Dude, it sounds beefier too.
My heart's racing like a motherfucker.
He hasn't had his car in like 2 years, guys. And it's back and even faster now. That shit's hard.
Bruh.
Your car's so clean. Look how dirty my shit is.
I'm a little crusty too.
I still got wrap everywhere in the headlights and stuff.
Oh shit.
I gotta take it all apart. I had to take the lip off because it's like under the bumper. We didn't even get to shoot any pictures when my car was like purple kinda.
Yeah, that would've been sick.
But it's all good. Well, the GTRs look so good together though. We have the same front lip, same tire specs, same tires. Look at Mickey Thompson boys. This thing's so sick with the carbon hood though. His car just looks so much more aggressive than mine, even though they're almost the same. Same lips, same bumpers, same headlights, same trunks, same wheel setups. They're pretty much like the same. But I don't know, his just looks crazier. I think it's the TEs, guys. I think we gotta swap to the TE37s. I almost got TE37s when I ordered my wheels because I ordered them brand new. And brand new, they're almost the same price. But the only reason why I went with these because I feel like a lot of people have the TEs, but now I kind of want them. What is this, satin? Yours is dry carbon? Satin carbon?
I gotta get a gloss.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
It looks kind of cool like
This is
that.
what it looks like before they gloss it up. I kind of like it satin though.
Me too, that shit's hard. Yeah, they're pretty much the same thing, huh?
Some people don't have the duck trunk on it. It's just flat.
Yeah.
Like the OEM. Like
Damn, Arion pulled up too. Bro, there's so many GTRs. They do look sick. I don't think we can sell them. Damn, which one's better though? Anthro's Arions or mine, guys? Which one's cooler? They are different styles, but I don't know. That color's hard. What's up, Ape?
What's up, kid?
Ape. I love when we cruise with other GTRs, guys. It just looks so sick. It's because I love GTRs. Like, I'm a GTR fanboy, bro. So every time I see other GTRs pull up, even though I have my own GTR, I get so excited still to see other GTRs. Me and Anthro have the carbon fiber trunks, but Arion has the wing. I always mention this in my videos, guys. I have this same exact black edition wing at home. It's actually super expensive. I believe it's like $8,000 or something like that from the dealer if you want to buy it. And I have it at home and it just sits in storage, just sitting there collecting dust. But I don't know, I can't pick between the two. I like the trunk and I like the wing. It's hard to pick. They're both completely different styles and I feel like they change up the look of the car so much. What do you guys think? Should we put the wing on? Comment down below. Help me out. Or do we just keep the trunk? I honestly like it. And like I said, I think I'm ordering the carbon fiber hood soon. So I think this trunk with the carbon hood and possibly carbon doors too will all flow together with the carbon in the front, carbon on the sides, and carbon on the back. I don't know what we're getting into today, but we're about to grab some food real quick and then maybe do some car stuff. Sheesh, look at it. That's what I need. I need a fire extinguisher just in case.
I have a fire extinguisher.
I need one.
You want to borrow one?
I'm down. If my car catches fire, you better grab that shit quick.
Hell no, I'm gonna let it burn. I'm kidding.
No, honestly, I'm down. Let it burn, bro. I'll vlog it. The video will go viral.
Just hop into a Beamer.
And we'll get a Beamer? I'm just
Dude,
kidding.
Come on.
I don't know. You might have to get a GTR. I was trying to convince you to get one.
Remember the orange one?
Yes,
Like
when he was buying this, there was an orange GTR. I was trying to make him buy it. I was trying to send him pictures. I was sending you everything. I think I was sending you exhaust clips, horsepower stuff, and I couldn't convince him, guys.
Beamer for life.
Oh my God, look what pulled up, guys. My boy Nathan and the Supra. Comment down below right now. Do you guys remember the Supra? Something really bad happened to it the last time we saw it in a vlog, probably. Look at this kid. He's getting so excited. I feel like the Supra gets more attention than GTRs, guys. It's just like iconic. We raced in a vlog probably like 2 years ago too. There's 3 GTRs and a Supra, bro. But yeah, the last time he was on the vlog, we raced in a video, and him versus my GTR, and he actually blew his engine, bro. But I guess he got it back up too. Everyone's blowing their motors. I hope I'm not next.
What's up, boo?
It's back? I'm good, bro. Should we get the rerun or what?
Fuck no.
He's like, never again, bro.
I'm gonna break that shit again.
I'm gonna play that video right here, guys. But yeah, that little TikTok went viral, huh? That shit was getting posted everywhere.
Oh shit, Kevin, big fan, brother. How are you?
Do you watch his vlogs?
No, not anymore. I always disliked them.
This thing's fire though, all black, Supra, MK5, HREs, MK4, my bad. Damn. What the? My boy got a roll cage in there now. My favorite is the rear ends. The rear ends of the Supras are just, literally like I said, iconic, bro. Everyone knows what this is. But yeah, that was so sad, bro. It was like the most heartbreaking video to see this thing blow up on the freeway. And I was racing him. I felt like it was my fault. That's for sure E92. I heard it. Freaking Andre. Damn, all the homies pulled up today. This is such a random ass cruise. We literally planned this like an hour ago, if that. Everyone's just bored on a Sunday. That shit sounds sick. That's just sick.
That was ridiculous.
Bro, if I had a Supra, I'd literally be doing that shit every day, all day.
Dude, what the? I was not expecting that to test
We just finished grabbing some food. Now I'm watching Formula Drift on my phone. This is like the last final look. My boy Rome is in the finals. This is the car we winning, guys, the E36. But look who else pulled up. The boy in the M6. M6 competition. Oh look, let's watch this real quick. Rome might win. Uh-oh. You guys remember winning that car this weekend? That shit's nice, bro. It's like brand new. You don't really see M6s a lot. This is nice. The BMW boys. Alright guys, I think we're gonna head to this little car meet. coming off. You're so stupid. Not for real though. The wing's coming off. Oh, we found another one. We found more burbles. Oh my god. These guys are driving so reckless. Yeah, what's wrong with them?
It was a chick.
Bro, those guys are driving crazy. We just went up at the gas station with a bunch of homies. Look at this F80. Oh my god, this thing is beautiful, bro. With BBS's. This literally is my dream right here.
Dream car right here.
I think this looks like my car, right?
Bro, this suits you on.
It looks like I'd be getting out of here. This shit is beautiful, bro. Oh my god, that might be one of the cleanest F80 M3s I've ever seen. I would not change a single thing. Just the perfect amount of carbon fiber. BBS wheels, it's red, carbon roof. It has white interior, that's kind of cool. You guys know me from watching my videos that that's exactly what I want. A red F80, BBS wheels. Woo-hoo-hoo. So clean. Oh my god, this is so sick. It's literally so clean. He said he's trying to sell it too. Did we buy it? The intakes. Hey Kevin, try not to scrape his lip. Alright, we just teleported to this other car meet now. A lot of BMWs, obviously. We got a G80, E36 M3. Man, that shit's nice. Everyone gets mad at me in the comments for calling G82s G80s. You guys get what I'm saying though. They're the same thing. But yeah, we're in the BMW city right now. BMWs everywhere. Yeah, these ones were at the meet yesterday. I literally just saw these two at another meet. These new M5s are sick. They're super fast too. That's the M5, right? The music's loud, but look guys, the Alpina E30. I think these things are super rare. I'm pretty sure they're worth a lot of money too. This one's like in mint condition, literally. Look at the wheels.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.